Have you ever wondered how the towering mountains we see around us were formed? Or why the continents aren't where they were millions of years ago? What about the fabled lost continent of Mu? Did it truly vanish, or was it ever there to begin with? Join us as we dive into the mysteries of mountain formation, continental drift, and the curious tale of a lost land. Earth has been evolving for billions of years, and through those years, it has never been still. Forces deep within our planet have shaped the surface we walk on, from massive mountain ranges to shifting continents. And, hidden in this ancient history, lies the story of a mysterious lost continent. But before we uncover that enigma, let's start at the beginning with how mountains are formed. Mountain formation, the power of plate tectonics. Mountains may look permanent and unchanging, but they're actually the result of enormous geological forces over millions of years. At the heart of mountain formation is a process known as plate tectonics. Imagine the Earth's crust as a giant jigsaw puzzle made of pieces called tectonic plates. These plates are constantly moving, albeit very slowly. They can collide, pull apart, or slide past one another. When plates collide, immense pressure builds up, causing the crust to crumple and fold, often pushing up massive mountain ranges. This is how some of the world's most famous mountains, like the Himalayas, were formed. The Himalayas, for example, started forming when the Indian plate collided with the Eurasian plate around 50 million years ago. Today, the Himalayas continue to grow as these plates keep pressing against each other. In some places, volcanic activity adds to mountain building. When tectonic plates pull apart or one slides under another, magma from the Earth's mantle can rise to the surface, creating volcanic mountains like those in the Andes and the Pacific Ring of Fire. Now, let's move on to the mystery of continental drift. Why do continents change positions over time? This question puzzled scientists for centuries until the theory of plate tectonics helped solve the puzzle. Millions of years ago, all the continents were part of a single supercontinent called Pangaea. Around 200 million years ago, forces within the Earth's mantle began to break Pangaea apart, moving the pieces, or plates, in different directions. Over time, these plates drifted across the globe, leading to the positions of the continents we recognize today. This process of continental drift is incredibly slow, typically occurring at rates of just a few centimeters per year, roughly the speed at which your fingernails grow. However, over millions of years, this small movement adds up, radically reshaping Earth's surface. The lost continent of Mu, legend or reality. Now that we understand how continents form and drift, let's turn to a tale that has fascinated explorers, archaeologists, and mystics alike, the lost continent of Mu. The story of Mu first emerged in the 19th century when a man named James Churchward claimed he had found ancient texts in India detailing an advanced civilization on a continent that sank into the Pacific Ocean. According to Churchward, Mu was a vast, flourishing civilization that existed tens of thousands of years ago but was destroyed in a massive cataclysm, sinking beneath the ocean waves. However, scientists have found no geological evidence for such a continent. Unlike the true lost continents, like Zealandia, a largely submerged continent near New Zealand, there's no solid proof that Mu ever existed. Most scientists believe it was a myth, possibly inspired by volcanic island sinks or misinterpretations of ancient texts. Yet, the allure of Mu continues to captivate imaginations. Some researchers and adventurers still hope to find evidence of an ancient land in the depths of the Pacific. Whether it was real or a mere legend, Mu serves as a fascinating reminder of how little we truly know about our planet's past. Earth is far from a static, unchanging world. From the tallest mountain peaks to the mysterious legends of lost lands, our planet's history is a dynamic story of change, destruction, and renewal. Thanks to plate tectonics, continents will continue to drift, and new mountains will rise while old ones erode. Perhaps in millions of years, the continents will reunite into another supercontinent, and new mysteries will emerge. Stay tuned as we uncover more mysteries of Earth and beyond. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you enjoyed this journey through our planet's ancient history.